The Ulefone Armor 30 Pro is very similar to the Armor 33 Pro. The 33 Pro is expected to launch in April. So in this video, I'll be comparing the specs of both devices to point out the differences and similarities. Anyway, if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. So without further ado, let's find out the differences and similarities between both 5G rugged beasts. So there we go, guys. What do you guys think? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.